All right, you're being given two sets of points that are on a line, and you're told to find the equation for the line. We're going to do something called point-slope form. Talked about this in class, and it basically looks like this. All right, step number one, you can see that. Step number one is finding slope. And you make your table. That's a 3. All right, and you see what the difference is between each of the numbers. Remember, slope is change in y over change in x. To go from 3 to a 5, you're going to be adding 2. So from 3 to 5 is plus 2. And to go from 0 to 1 is plus 1. So our slope, if you're given the points 0, 3, 1, and 5, your slope is 2. All right, that's step number 1. Step number 2 is you're going to use point slope, which is this: y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. You pick any of the ordered pairs. It doesn't matter which one, either 0, 3, or 1 and 5. I'm going to pick 1 and 5. Put this down here more. 1 is my x, 5 is my y. So wherever there's a number after the letter, like in y1 will be a 5, so I'll put that there, and next one will be the 1, so I don't forget things. So to substitute things in, y minus 5, in place of y1 I'll put a 5. In place of m, I'll put a 2 because that's my slope from earlier. And I have x minus x1, and the x I'm using is a 1. So I just substituted things in for point slope form rather. Now I'll start to distribute. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So I only distribute at this point. The last thing I have to do is get the y by itself. So to get that by itself, I have to get rid of that minus 5. I can do that by adding 5 to both sides. Add 5 underneath the negative 2 because those are the same sorts of things. I'm left with y equals 2x gets brought down. Negative 2 plus 5 is positive 3. So if you wanted to see, and I know this is probably the right answer because it's in slope-intercept form. If I want to be sure, let's still read it. I'll put the equation in the calculator, 2x plus 3, and look at my table, see if it contains the points 0 and 3, which it does. 0 and 3, and it contains the point 1 and 5. So I know that's correct.